This is the lift in pink zone. This is the other lift in pink zone, which is still the same, an Old Otis at Lister Hospital in Stevenage. See, it's got the classic in use bit. Some classic Old Otis. Here it is. See, it's got the logo. We're going to go up to 1. There's no capacity. I don't know what the capacity is in this lift, but it's got a yellow exclamation. Here at 1, it's got emergency telephone by phone. Go back down to G. Go back down to G. It's going to level. The door opens quick as it levels, look.